73 questions with Aurora from Dusk Designs.
Ready to go?
Let's go. All right, where are we going?
We're going up to my room. We're at the Bellagio in Las Vegas.
Oh wow, the Bellagio. Why are you staying at the Bellagio?
I'm here for an awesome event called Calibash. Is that one going up? I don't know. Let's go find out.
All right.
So yeah, we're here to celebrate my birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday. Sweet. Calibash, huh? What's this Calibash?
Oh my gosh, there's gonna be a ton of artists that are gonna be singing and dancing, and a lot of it is reggaeton music. J-Lo's gonna be there, Maluma, Ozuna, Balvin, a lot of fun artists. I'm so excited.
Who are some of your favorite artists? What's a favorite artist?
J-Lo's gonna be there.
Name a favorite song.
Oh, On the Floor. I love that song. So let's go. Check out this awesome setting there. I really like that. Gold and purple. Love that. So pretty. So we're over here. So have you ever been here?
I have.
You have?
Yeah, just passing through.
Cool. Well,
Pretty nice place.
it's my first time here at the Bellagio.
Okay, and how do you feel about that? How do you like the atmosphere?
I love it. It's so beautiful, so glamorous. I love what they did with the wall coverings and the carpet. Purple and gold, those are royalty colors. So I think they've done a great job.
Royalty colors, huh? Tell me a little bit about that.
I just love royalty colors. They're beautiful. Who wouldn't want to wear those or use those colors in their interiors?
Nice. So where are we going again?
To my room.
Oh, okay.
It's a nice little walk. It's probably our workout of the day. So we're almost there, I promise. So you ready to check it out?
I'm ready.
All right, come on in. Welcome to my room. You just open that lovely drape, just so we can get more lighting, you know? So anyway, this is my room. Check it out. Make sure you see it thoroughly. I love the interior. It's so beautiful. What I want to do right now is I want to start getting ready for my Calibash event. So, I'm gonna pull out my dress.
So what time is this Calibash event?
It's gonna start at 8 o'clock.
Oh, cool. 8 o'clock. Where at?
Yeah, it's gonna be at the T-Mobile.
Okay, right. The T-Mobile Arena.
Yes, T-Mobile.
Ah, isn't that by the Monte Carlo?
Yeah, it is. You want to see the view? Look at what I have to see over here. Got the Caesar's Palace. Beautiful view of Las Vegas. I love this place. So much design inspiration everywhere.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So many questions, so many things to know about Aurora.
Yeah, what would you like to know?
So what do you think about the overall design of this room? Like, how would you describe this design?
I would describe it as contemporary, transitional. I love the color scheme they chose with the green and purple. It's very beautiful. And just the different patterns they chose.
Nice. So what are some of your routines when getting ready for like a concert? How long is it gonna take?
About 2 hours.
Wow, 2 hours?
Yeah, because I gotta shower, I gotta blow dry my hair, gotta style it, gotta do my makeup. And it's a whole ritual, you know? So 2 hours for sure.
Do you like to listen to music while you're getting ready?
Oh yes, I love listening to music, especially J-Lo's radio station on Pandora. It
Okay.
pumps me up, and also Pitbull. Yeah.
Is Pitbull playing tonight?
No, I wish.
Ah, what's a favorite Pitbull song?
Fireball is one of my favorite ones right now.
Okay, so what are you looking forward to in this concert?
I'm looking forward to the energy, the music, and just dancing and seeing all of these performers up close and personal.
Okay, nice. Favorite drink?
That's a good one, Dr. Pepper.
All right, Dr. Pepper.
There's so many.
Favorite alcoholic beverage?
Riesling wine.
Okay, you gonna have some wine before the concert?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Don't tell my mom.
Nice. So it's your birthday weekend. You're here in Vegas at the Bellagio, and you're attending a concert.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you'd like to share? Or anything else you find interesting about this weekend?
Oh, I just love I love Las Vegas. There's just so much design inspiration. I'm so excited to be here, and especially because it's the Bellagio. I've never been here. It's first time.
Nice. Tell us a little bit about this dress. This is a pretty nice dress. I don't know anything about the cut, the design, but I do know that it's pretty sexy.
I love the back. That's when I saw it. I just love how the back kind of, the ruffles flare out. It just looks really pretty. It's very elegant and glamorous and doesn't show too much skin, but enough to, you know, be sexy.
All right. So it's not made for a Puritan, but it's not made for a sinner either.
Yep.
Nice. So how long is it going to take you to get to the T-Mobile Arena from the room?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Any other comments, any other concerns, any other questions? And
Oh, what would you like to know about me?
favorite
Favorite color, red and gold.
those are your favorite colors?
Yes, my two favorite.
Nice. Why?
Gold is very glamorous, and it's funny because I used to hate it. And red, passionate, deep red, because I just love the color. It's so beautiful.
So your jewelry, you prefer yellow gold then? Versus white gold, platinum,
It depends what kind of jewelry piece it is.
Okay.
But preferably white gold,
Nice.
because it looks more like silver.
Did you do any shopping on the strip?
No,
Uh,
I did do a lot of window shopping.
nice. Tell us about that.
It was fun.
Yeah. Why do you like window shopping?
Who doesn't?
Oh, really? Did you see what was the highest tagged? What was the highest priced item that you saw?
Engagement ring, $57,000.
$57,000 for an engagement ring, huh?
That's nothing for some people.
Nice, wonderful. Where'd you go? Where was this at?
At Tiffany's,
Oh, okay.
I think that's what it's called.
Yeah. Tiffany's is big.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Unless you have any other personal questions that you'd like to ask about me, like maybe what's my favorite candy, which is M&M's, peanut.
M&M's. Why is that your favorite candy?
One, I love the spokes candy. They're so cute and adorable in all those commercials. And secondly, I love chocolate, and the ones with peanuts are my favorite because they're crunchy.
Nice. Favorite movie?
Oh, Grease, of course.
Grease, huh? How about all the other sequels? They went up to like 4 different Greases,
I've only
right?
seen, I think, part of the second one, and I didn't know. Sorry.
Yeah. 2 thumbs down.
No offense.
Did it still have John Travolta on that one?
No.
No? Oh, okay, so they changed the
Maybe that's
cast.
the reason.
Ah. So then, okay, favorite actor?
Favorite actor? Oh, The Rock.
The Rock.
Yes.
Nice.
Hi, Rock.
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, Alanis Morissette.
Oh, Alanis.
Love her.
Have you seen her in concert here in Vegas?
Not in Vegas.
No.
But I have seen her in concert before.
Nice.
She's a great performer. I almost cry every time I see her.
Why?
That excitement, I just love her that much.
Nice. So, okay, Alanis, favorite artist. Let's see, do you have a favorite food?
Yes, Mexican food.
Mexican
It
food.
has to be vegetarian.
That's a wide range, though, Mexican food. Can we narrow it down to any specific platter or entree?
Chiles rellenos.
Oh,
I also love enchiladas de queso and sopes.
so all vegetarian friendly, huh? All right, vegetarian. Favorite vegetarian dish of all time?
The Mexican ones I just mentioned.
All of those, huh? Okay. All right. Favorite vegetable?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
They're bomb.
Yeah. Anything else you can off the
No,
top?
just thank you so much for coming and wanting to know more about me. And if you guys have any other questions you'd like to know, just comment down below and let me know. I'll try to answer all of them.
All right. This is Aurora from Dusk Designs, and this is her stay at the Bellagio right here.
All right, thank you.
Pretty
guys
nice
so
setup.
much.
Wonderful.